Ready to ditch Microsoft Edge Chromium? This video will guide you through completely uninstalling it, so you can reclaim your browsing experience. First, the standard method, click the Windows Start button, then select the Settings icon, which looks like a gear. In the Settings window, click on Apps. This will bring up a list of all the applications installed on your computer. Scroll down the Apps and Features list until you find Microsoft Edge. Click on it. You should now see an Uninstall button appear. Click Uninstall. A confirmation prompt will appear, asking if you're sure you want to uninstall Microsoft Edge. Click Uninstall again to confirm. Pay close attention here. You'll see a checkbox labeled Also Clear Your Browsing Data if you want to remove all your browsing history, passwords, and other data associated with Edge. Make sure this box is checked, then click Uninstall. After the uninstallation process is complete, Microsoft Edge Chromium will be removed from your system. You're now free to revert to a previous browser or install a different one. If you're looking for a more advanced method or want to ensure a truly clean removal, check the description below for additional tips and registry edits. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials.